So,
Introduce yourself.
so my name is Clement Glenn. This is our mobile restaurant, Little Smokehouse. The original smokehouse is located in Golden Spring. That's the parent. That's where we prep, do most of our prep.
Yeah.
This is a mobile unit that we bring out to Portmore on a Friday night, 7 to 3 in the morning, and on a Saturday night, 7 to 3 in the morning.
So what are some of the items you guys sell here?
Well, one of the greatest things that we sell is the soup, the crayfish soup.
The soup is spectacular, guys. The soup is awesome. What else? What else is a must try if you're visiting the island and you're here?
Well, we're introducing barbecue ribs to Jamaica. That's something that a lot of Jamaicans have not become accustomed to. They're so used to jerk pork, which we do as well. We also do barbecue pig tail, we do oxtail, we do curried goat, we do curried chicken, we do snapper fish, parrotfish done to order. We do turn cornmeal as a side, we do rice and peas as a side. Right now we have some coconut rice and mixed vegetable that we're just cooking right now, just finished cooking. We serve that with oxtail or curry goat or jerk pork if you want, or any other meat kind that you want.
Okay. All right, guys. So what I'm going to do right now. So tell me about this drink as well, because you recommended this one. What you said was in this?
So this is a melon drink, melon combined with lemon. So this is a melon lemonade.
Yeah.
We also have apple. We do a lot of different fruits that are current, like pineapple. We do strawberry lemonade. We do a wide variety of lemonades.
Okay. Well, guys, I tried this and it was spectacular. Also, give them your contact information if they're coming from out of town and they want to find you.
But if you're coming from out of town and you're trying to locate us, we are located in Golden Spring Square in a smokehouse. This is our.
Are you on YouTube? Are you on Instagram? Like, where can they find?
We're on Instagram.
So what's the page?
Nuno's Mobile Smoker. And we have Nuno's Smokehouse, both of which are on Instagram.
Spell it so they know.
Nunus Smoker, Mobile Smoker, MOBILE Smoker.
And do you guys do catering or anything like that?
Yes, we do catering.
All right. Give me your information.
So this is our.
All right, guys. Here's the menu right here. So they have a variety of things. Here's their contact number.
298 6468.
All right. And all right, guys, I highly recommend this. I'm going to show you guys the food right now. We're about to dive in it, and I'm going to give you guys my take on the food. Here it is, guys. When you come to Portmore, right as you get off the toll, they just keep going this way. Find them Fridays and Saturdays. They're going to be right here. Bobby, you're in trouble because this soup is amazing. You're in trouble. Okay, guys, let me know if you want me to do a follow-up video. This is very unique. So as you hear, he's originally from America. Well, he went to school in Canada, grew up in America, and then decided to come back home to retire and start his business. So I think it's a great inspirational story, and I think I want to do a follow-up video on it. So like, subscribe.